Hi. Today I want to tell you about my idea uh, of the receiving the bad feedback from the manager. That I have just received the feedback from my manager that the content of my project report is not good. He points out that there are some content is not enough information, while other is quite I gave quite detailed. Mm, yes, I think that is my weak point in this in the my weak point in the organize the idea so that I don't know which point is important to make it detailed. Mm, so that I think I should take uh, some courses about writing report. Mm, I may find some short course on LinkedIn and YouTube, uh, and I may share my experience with my colleagues so that he will give the valuable idea, and I hope that my skill will be upgraded after the end. Thank you.